24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Subtraction. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of subtraction. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. Students should be able to use a variety of strategies to subtract small numbers 1 to 10. Identify, subtract and equal signs. Get familiar with the term takeaway and leftover. Introduction to subtraction. Subtraction is a part of our everyday lives and therefore an important concept to develop at preschool level. Children need to understand how to subtract in order to engage with the society effectively. As we use subtraction when dealing with money, cooking, travel, and time, and among countless other daily experiences. Tell the children that they will be learning about subtraction, that means to take away objects. Introduce the concept of takeaway by using different examples. Recall the rhymes relevant to subtraction. For example, the rhyme, there were 10 in the bed and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 9 in the bed and the little one said, and so on. Play a game with the children. For this subtraction game, we use plastic buttons. Any small item is fine. There are many things that could be used and could easily match the theme. I start the game with 4 plastic buttons. I first show the kids there are 4, then I say, what if I hide 1 under my hand? How many can you see? 3. What if I hide 2 under my hand? How many can you see? 2. What if I hide 3 under my hand? How many can you see? 1. Then I also hide all and none and let them see how many are still visible. After I go through and demonstrate how it works, then the real game begins. I secretly hide a certain number of buttons and have the children tell me how many I'm hiding. If they all catch on quickly, I'll try the game with up to 9 buttons. Ask them to open their textbooks, take away the objects, and write the correct number. Reinforcement worksheet of subtraction can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.